I think what we have here is one step better than the norm because it comes as part of a sequence. And by the time the students come to our clinic, they've had 2 years of skills-oriented training.
I'd say the biggest benefit of the clinic is you are a lawyer for a year. You are basically working in a firm. You get great supervision, but it's your responsibility. You learn how to work with clients. You learn how to talk to prosecutors and negotiate plea deals. You learn all the thousands of little things that are essential to practicing law, but you never learn in the classroom.
Going through the clinic, I feel a lot more confident and comfortable in a courtroom setting. I mean, even the little things like knowing when to sit down and stand up, and how to speak to a judge, and how to treat a witness, especially on cross-examination. Having that opportunity to go through all of that is really just so valuable to me.
I was first chair in a settlement conference in one of my cases, and that was a really unique experience because you're sitting there, you're with an experienced attorney from a big firm that's representing the defendant, and here we are representing the plaintiff, and the judge is firing questions and trying to poke holes in each side's theory and to advocate on behalf of your client, in front of the judge and opposing counsel. It was a little nerve-wracking at first, but a really great experience and really helped me hone my theory of the case and really helped me prepare myself to do more things like that going forward.
I think the most important part of any individual's experience is what they take away from it. You'll find some who, after intake and interviewing clients, are most impacted by the person that they are going to represent and the seriousness of the charges and how important this is in that person's life.
They now have a client that they're responsible for, what they do will make a difference for that client. And the growth is just phenomenal.
When you're dealing with someone who's facing real charges, facing jail time, your interaction changes from when it's just a simulation and all that depends on it is a grade. So I really think that took those skills and really made them even better than they were.
Having all that preparation, training, experience behind me going into that, and then being able to do a cross-examination during a trial, the aha moment for me in that was realizing that I liked it, which wasn't something that I'd expected.
If there's a motion to be written, they write it. If there's a hearing, they are the ones questioning witnesses. They're the ones arguing to a judge. If we try a case, whether it's to a jury or a judge, they're doing the trial. There's going to be a faculty member at their elbow. I have kicked people under the table. I have passed them sticky notes. But they're the ones doing the work. It's their case.
Oftentimes attorneys will just tell you what a strategy is and tell you to run with it. And in the clinic, you get to direct it. You get to pick it. You get to hone it and make it yours. And you do it all under the supervision of a very good attorney.
The relationship between our professors and the clinic students is more of a mentorship. And it's an open door policy. We have their phone numbers. We're able to call them at any time, morning or night, and it's something that you're working together because you're part of a team. You're all representing the one client. So together, it's the goal of giving the client the best service possible.
Some of them will be able to say, we argued a whole case before a jury. Others will be able to say, we waded through discovery and I negotiated with opposing counsel. I made an argument in front of the judge. And all of those opportunities that they have seized upon by being here in clinic and by working on that, through that, they come in really with a head start in their professional practice.
It was real life, and it gave us the experience and the confidence and the empowerment to go out and be a real lawyer after we graduated.